Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see already in the title, I will be doing an unboxing, paper boxing. Anyways, I'm gonna show you what I got from Prada. So anyways, I got this last week or 2 weeks, I'm not sure, but my friend and I went to the mall, Tyson's Galleria, I believe, because they have like all the luxury, not all because they don't have the Dior there and some of the other brands. But anyways, I was planning to just get this bag maybe on like my birthday, but then when I saw it and then the sales guy, I was like, it's probably gonna be sold out soon if you wait. So anyways, he talked me out of it, so I got the bag. And I know you already seen the title on the thumbnail, but anyways, this is a bag. It comes with this white paper bag and with this like ribbon, like Prada ribbon. And oh my goodness, but I haven't opened it yet. But look at this, it comes with like the white dust bag. The dust bag feels so freaking soft. Oh my god, look at that. So it's so cute. It's like the tiny bag, but I know you guys can't like feel it, but it's so soft. I like how he put it in a dust bag, because you know sometimes if I don't use this bag, I have to put it in a dust bag so you know it doesn't collect dust. But anyways, so open her up. Oh my god. So here it is. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, oh my god, oh my god, it's so freaking cute and tiny. Okay, so this is the Prada re-edition 2000 right there. I think, hold on, let me adjust my lighting real quick. I think the light is better now, but anyways, this is the Prada re-edition 2000 right there. I like how they come with this. I believe because the first time they released this bag, maybe like it was 2000, it's like a decade ago. So yeah, this is the black, I believe they call it hobo. Let me just look at the receipt. Let's see. No, this is the tessuto bag. I'm just gonna put it in the screen because I don't even know what's the name of this bag, but it says tessuto. And I got the black bag. I was there and they have like the nude one and they have like the colored ones too. But if you guys know me, I love I'm a whore when it comes to like black bag, clothes, everything. So I got the black, of course, and it's just a pretty, it's like a nylon bag and it's very small. And this is like the leather here. They do have the leather, which is, the guy told me that a lot of people prefer this one rather than the leather, because the nylon is like half of this, like half, but this one is kind of like, you know, the top handle is kind of like bigger than the other one. So I got this. They also have the limited edition one, I believe. I'm not sure, like the one like you can do like a crossbody, and you can also do like, they have like, it comes with a pocket. It kind of like reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoire. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'll put a picture right here, like the difference between both. But I didn't get the one with like the strap. I just want to get these. This is like the classic Prada bag, and I like how they come with this, you know, right here. I believe this is for your key, but I'm not gonna put my key in here. But anyways, let's open the bag, and it says the Prada logo right there. Don't mind my nails, just, you know, the Prada logo, and it's just pretty much nylon. And okay, so what do we have here? I don't know what is this, but oh, okay, so this is the authenticity card. Okay, yeah, this is the authenticity certified card right here. It comes with like the date and everything, so that's good. I'm gonna keep this right here. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view. So this is the front of the bag, this is the side. It's just plain black nylon right there. And then it doesn't come with pockets at all. It was kind of like a bummer, but anyways, this is the inside of the bag. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says Prada right there. I wish they have like the pocket so I can put stuff on it, but it's okay. Right there. The interior is just, you know, black. It says Prada Milano or something. So, oh, here. I'll show it to you guys. So that's the inside, like the interior of the inside. So it's pretty much just like your I don't know, it's really tiny. I know a lot of people don't like tiny bags or like small bags, but I don't know, I like mini bags, small bags. That's my preference. And I actually like big bags too, just when I'm going out, like, you know, like it's probably like a busy day, but I really do prefer a, you know, small bags. And the zipper is a leather right here, like the zipper right there. I think that's the only leather in this bag, which is like the zipper. So anyway guys, I really like this bag. I think I'm gonna like carry this like this, or like the top handle. And let me, what's the price of this? So the price of this bag is $725 US. With the tax it's $43.50. So overall it's like $768. So $468. I paid $468 for that. But anyway guys, I really like the bag. I think I'm gonna do like an update on like what fits in this bag, and because my battery is actually gonna die, so I'm trying to like hurry up. But anyway guys, I love this bag and I can't wait to use this bag. So yeah, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.